Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be taking a look at the latest iOS 17 wallet update. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now, one of the things that you can now do with the Apple Wallet is you can go ahead and track orders from different merchants. So if you have bought something using Apple Pay, then Apple Wallet will allow you to keep track of all of your orders. Now, how exactly do we do that? Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we need to check that this feature is toggled on in our settings. So let's go into our settings right here. And then we're going to go all the way down until we can see Wallet and Apple Pay right here. Go ahead and click on this. You should be able to see all of your available payment cards with you or every card that you have attached to your wallet. But what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down until we can see add orders to wallet right here. So this section right here is the new part for iOS 17. So let's just make sure that this is toggled on. Now what that does is that if we go ahead and go into our wallet, then you should be able to see all of your attached wallet right here and all of your cards as well. But if you take a look on the top right, you should be able to see this package symbol. So if we go ahead and click on this, now this section allows us to keep track of all of the orders that we have placed in different merchants. So it will all be here. All of the tracking, it is done here. And this is the latest update for iOS 17 wallet. Hope that this video has been helpful to you. See you guys next time.